Hello YouTube fans, here we are again gardening with Vincenzo, and I'm quite happy that finally my new purchase, my own Christmas present to myself, which should help in those healthy meal productions and creations, and it just came and I wanted to do a unboxing, and so we'll get right to it here. This is a Power Air Fryer Pro Deluxe, and it's the black one, I hope. And it just was delivered, kind of left on the porch. No porch pirates, so that was a good thing. All right, here we go. Pretty large box. Carefully open it up. I'm hoping all the attachments that were supposed to come with it come with it. I'm running out of kitchen space, so I may have to do some rearranging. Let's see what we got here. We've got a nice packet, some books. It's in a nice Ziploc bag. Instruction manual. Looks like some coupons. Bonus $100 coupons. Master cooking, dehydration, and fried food recipes. So I hope everybody can see those. Those look pretty good. We'll review those again. Looks like it's packed very nicely. I believe this is the tool for removing the rotisserie. Try to be careful getting this open. I think we're going to open up the back of the box here, now that it's safe to do so. All right, let's lift some things out. Here's the rotisserie. And the skewers and the rotating blades, and that's nicely packed. That'll be easy for storage. I'm going to remember how that's stored. Just stick him back in the box right now. And for anybody who's had the opportunity to view the infomercial, I was quite interested in this piece of equipment. For some healthier meal preparation. And this looks like the two racks that go in there. Got two of them. Dishwasher safe. They look pretty sturdy. Stick them right there. And let's see if we can't get this lifted out. All right, let me get that box out of the road, see if we got anything else in there. Nope. Let's stick our box right there. Get a look at this thing. It's packaged nicely, securely. I ordered the black so that it matches all my other appliances. There were several reasons why I made the investment for this, and one of them is that you can use it as a dehydrator, and I do like sun-dried tomatoes, and I would like to also dehydrate some fruits without the added sugars. So it's a nice looking unit. The vent is in the back. I don't see anything on the top here. We're taped securely so you don't break anything on the hinges. The Power Air Fryer Pro. Surprisingly lightweight. Try to get that tape off of there. There we go. Now with all appliances, you really want to make sure that you read. This is the stand for the rotisserie mechanism. We've got 2 extra racks with it. This comes with quite a bit of accessories. There's 3 actual racks in there. Good place for storage. They're all dishwasher safe, according to the manufacturer. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, this is the drip pan, I believe. Ah, it is. It's the drip pan. That just goes right onto the bottom. Nice, sturdy cabinet. This locks in and out. It's got a nice latch on it. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, terrific. This is the basket for the air frying, and also for the nuts. You can do the nuts. This looks pretty sturdy also. This was a little bit of an investment, but then again, if you are investing in yourself, and if you intend to use it, which I do intend to use it, I'll do some videos on using this. As I said, it's packed very nicely, securely. Things are protected. And I guess this is where you load and unload, since that's on the hinges. Do we push that forward? Does that come up from there? Oh, there we go. So that's how you load it. You load the basket right from there. That's pretty nice. Locks back down. Oh, there we go. You can set it right on the stand, as well as has a retention nut. There you go, just like that. So you can do that. So what this comes with is 5 trays to set up in here. And it looks like it should accommodate quite a few of them. for dehydration purposes or multiple cooking. And I like that. So you can get 3 real nice ones in there very easily. If you were dehydrating fruits and vegetables, that would be a great way to do that. We've got 3 plus 2 more, I guess, for preparation. So this comes with quite a few accessories, as I said. I'll let you look at that. I'll open the front door without knocking everything down. So this comes with the basket. It comes with the tool for the rotisserie. It comes with the rotisserie with extra trays, $100 in coupons for groceries, 3 nice booklets on how to make several different recipes, and I like that. I'll convert these to my gluten-free diabetic friendlies by substituting ingredients. Oh, it makes jerky too. That's great. I love jerky. And the frying basket for making those fries. Oh, it looks... I just saw a picture of some very nice looking biscuits. There we go, cheddar biscuits in the air fryer. That's pretty good. So this is a quick review here. Not a thorough review. Kind of a, I hate to say superficial, but I thought this was a great little device. And I can see 1,000 uses for this air fryer, this power air fryer. And I've looked around at many things. I usually do my due diligence when it comes to purchases. So this is one of the things I purchased for myself to kind of help with my own dietary restrictions and my own propensity for cooking. And I think it's going to be another wonderful addition to my kitchen. A great addition for the kitchen. There you go. There's a catchphrase, huh? All right, this is Gardening with Vincenzo. Just wanted to do an unboxing here. I'm quite pleased that it finally came. I wasn't waiting too long. I was kind of on the fence on whether I was going to order this or not. I'm not frivolous as far as purchases. I'm pretty economical as things go, including growing my own food. But I am very much interested in cooking and things that will help me accomplish that. When you have the dietary restrictions that I have, having celiac, being diabetic, I have to worry about gluten-free, and I've explored a lot of different avenues for trying to maintain a healthy lifestyle, and you are what you eat, and fresh is always best, and that includes fresh baked with the power air fryer. So, looks pretty good to me. I like the style. I like the accessories. I liked how it was packaged. It's not heavy. You can pick it up. It's not overly heavy. It has a little bit of weight to it. I'm interested in to see the amount of decibels that this puts out with the circulating air fan. And there you go. Quick review. All right. Thanks for spending some time gardening with Vincenzo. You are what you eat. Fresh is always best, including fresh baked. All right, be safe out there, America. Thanks for tuning in.